Psychologists have proposed several theories of intelligence. Theories can be broadly classified as either representing a psychometric, structural approach or an information processing approach. The psychometric approach considers intelligence as an aggregate of abilities that can be expressed as individuals' performance in terms of a single index of cognitive abilities. On the other hand, the information processing approach describes the processes people use in intellectual reasoning and problem solving. The major focus of this approach is on how an intelligent person acts. Information processing approaches emphasize studying cognitive functions underlying intelligent behavior. Let us discuss psychometric approach first. Alfred Binet was the first psychologist who tried to formalize the concept of intelligence in terms of mental operations. Binet's theory of intelligence was rather simple as it arose from his interest in differentiating more intelligent from less intelligent individuals. He, therefore, conceptualized intelligence as consisting of one similar set of abilities which can be used for solving any or every problem in an individual's environment. His theory of intelligence is called uni- or one-factor theory of intelligence. This theory came to be disputed when psychologists started analyzing data of individuals, which was collected using Binet's test. In 1927, Charles Spearman proposed a two-factor theory of intelligence employing a statistical method called factor analysis. He showed that intelligence consisted of a general factor, G factor, and some specific factors, S factors. The G factor includes mental operations which are primary and common to all performances. In addition to the G factor, he said that there are also many specific abilities. These are contained in what he called the S factor. Excellent singers, architects, scientists, and athletes may be high on G factor, but in addition to this, they have specific abilities which allow them to excel in their respective domains. Spearman's theory was followed by Louis Thurstone's theory. He proposed the theory of primary mental abilities. It states that intelligence consists of 7 primary abilities, each of which is relatively independent of the others. I. Verbal comprehension, grasping meaning of words, concepts, and ideas. E. Numerical abilities, speed and accuracy in numerical and computational skills. And computational skills. E. Spatial relations, visualizing patterns and forms. IV. Perceptual speed, speed in perceiving details. V. Word fluency, using words fluently and flexibly. V. Memory, accuracy in recalling information, and V. Inductive reasoning, deriving general rules from presented facts. Arthur Jensen proposed a hierarchical model of intelligence consisting of abilities operating at 2 levels, called Level 1 and Level 2. Level 1 is the associative learning in which output is more or less similar to the input, e.g., rote learning and memory. Level 2, called cognitive competence, involves higher-order skills as they transform the input to produce an effective output. J.P. Guilford proposed the structure of intellect model which classifies intellectual traits among 3 dimensions: operations, contents, and products. Operations are what the respondent does. These include cognition, memory recording, memory retention, divergent production, convergent production, and evaluation. Contents refer to the nature of materials or information on which intellectual operations are performed. These include visual, auditory, symbolic, like letters, numbers, semantic, like words, and behavioral, like information about people's behavior, attitudes, needs, and more. Products refer to the form in which information is processed by the respondent. Products are classified into units, classes, relations, systems, transformations, and implications. Since this classification, Guilford, 1988, includes 6 times 5 times 6 categories, therefore, the model has 180 cells. Each cell is expected to have at least one factor or ability. Some cells may have more than one factor. Each factor is described in terms of all 3 dimensions. In next video we will discuss information processing approach to intelligence.